recording now. You're recording us.
Corny nuts.
You're our cameraman.
Cameraman.
Don't block it. What are you doing? The cameras are here. See the camera right here?
Yeah, I see it.
You gotta film it like. Job. Trying to make some content again. Doing today is we're loading the golf cart, taking it back to the home. This is the one I put the starter generator on. Little golf cart, drop the trailer. Now we're gonna get in the golf cart. Put a starter generator on it. Took it back to the guy, it worked fine. Then it stopped running, started running like John Deere tractor. So we brought it back, found that push rod fell off the engine. Over revved it, threw a push rod off. Woo, stepped up there. I adjusted all the push rods. See? It runs like a can now. Runs like a can. Here we go, man. Showing you a video. Loading it on the trailer. Here we go. And it's loaded. Alright, gonna load it on the trailer. Now I gotta tie it down. Usually I have a partner, my dad, but he's getting ready for eye surgery. So he's gotta go get all these. Gotta go get tested. You know, don't want to wait too far. Tested for. Excuse me. I'm trying to think. He's getting tested for coronavirus, so he can go get his eye surgery Tuesday. Yeah. Times we're in, man. Crazy. All crazy stuff. But we're in America, hopefully. That's on there. So, loading this cart up, take it back to get it, drop it back off with the owner. And I'm gonna go get some metal. So I'm gonna start my next project, which is, I'll show you, putting, I got another project, scissor lift. Gotta fix that one for a church. Got 2 or 3 projects. Gonna put this box, old box, I'm gonna clean it, vinyl line it, and put it on this lady's cart right here. This cart. Right here, this one. See the back where we took the power off? I'm gonna build a bracket here and a bracket here. We're gonna hold it in here, put a box right here for her. She's gonna use it, she bought it, we're gonna use it on a little ranch. And you see my go-karts all lined up still. Of course, coronavirus, they can't open that either. But, all right, and I'm gonna drop off that cart and come back, and then we'll do some more content of me working on the deal. I gotta get some metal. Just if you like what you see, you know, want to comment. Pretty soon I'm gonna start some sessions like converting electric to gas. I'm gonna do a few things, and we'll see. cart delivered, and then we'll